Catching cold is not a pleasant thing at all, and suffering really increases when person has running nose, stuffed nose, running eyes, and feeling feverish and so on. There are some excellent natural remedies which can give you instant relief from all these things. So here are some ways to cure cold and cough. Understand one point very clearly, that cold and cough comes gradually, under proportion. When it is just beginning, immediately attack. Immediately use these remedies and see that it doesn't grow further. Otherwise, it will grow into a real influenza, difficulty in breathing, and so on, which would be too late. Start immediately. The moment you find you are sneezing, or nose is getting little stuffed, or eyes are watering, or you are feeling little feverish, attack that with these simple homemade remedies.